We now have Mr. Anil Gokar, who's the creator of Pro Earth, amazing name by the way, an organization that works towards cleaner and sustainable villages while also offering jobs to the residents. The stage is all yours, Mr. Gokar.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope you can hear me clearly.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to begin with, I think I have to congratulate all of you for organizing this wonderful event. Ved and all of you putting this event together is extremely important and extremely inspirational for all you youngsters to begin to think about how to get involved in the environmental movement and get really be a strong participant in bringing about the a change, a personal change that's going to then move towards the community. The speakers so far have been very inspiring for me as well. Some of them, most of them, in fact, I know personally. So it's been really nice to see them talk as well. And the opening talk from Dr. Ash was also extremely inspirational for me as well. So to begin with, I'm just going to talk to you about how I got into this activity and the aspect of making personal change to really move in a direction that becomes life sustaining, becomes planet sustaining. I think that's the first step for us to think about right from, and it's a great thing that you guys are thinking about this at your age, because this is going to be one of the biggest crises that we are going to face in the coming decades, possibly. You obviously know most really well about the statistics around it. And for me, it was growing up, in my growing up years, the whole aspiration was to look at how we can find sustainable, find jobs in the industry, look at engineering, look at technology, get into the best companies that provide jobs. And so for me, the whole my father was in the engineering business, and so for me the whole concept was, as I grow up, I wanted to be an automobile engineer. I studied all the way. I did my masters in the best university probably in the world, which is based in Germany, working on automobile design and automotive technology. And then I ended up entering the industry at the age of somewhere around 26. Worked with the auto industry for 10 years, and in this entire process, I got the opportunity to really travel the country, because I was working for a specific business and commercial vehicle industry, selling trucks and components that go into trucks, particularly large mining trucks, which go into the jungles and pretty much break down all these hills, take out all the resources from the earth, and then use it for our needs. So while going through this job, it became clear to me that the light is not there at the end of the tunnel. And for most of us who have a lot of stake in the entire system, right from you put your entire investment into your education, you put your entire investment into working in a particular field, to really make that shift and to uh, look at a decision where you're going to work towards saving the planet,